Hi everyone! Welcome to Imee's Recipes. For these holidays, I thought of baking this cake for it is easy. You just buy short crust pastry from supermarket and fill it with the filling you like, bake it and voila! You have already a cake! This cake that I am going to bake is an apple pie. So, I need 2 short crust pastry, 4 apples, cookies to be used as base, 1 lemon, sugar, and canela powder. It is so easy. Just grab a baking pan in a spring form with a diameter of 26 centimeters and spread the first short crust pastry. It will serve as the base. Don't remove the grease-proof paper. The first ingredient to add are the ground cookies. So, grind some cookies and distribute them at the bottom of the base. If possible, use normal cookies without cocoa. Why? Because the color of cocoa does not fit the color of apple. Set aside the springform pan and start peeling the apples. Apples are always available the whole year round in cold countries, and they have different varieties. They are also a very delicious ingredient in a cake. Raw or cooked apples. I really love eating apples. They are like bananas to me. So here we are, nagtatalop ng apple, peeling the apple, and after peeling them, slice them in cubes or in whatever way you like to slice them. Just slice them thinly. May kaunting kanipisan. Then pour the sugar, ilagay ang asukal, and then add the juice of 1 lemon. Then mix them all. Mix, mix, mix. Add also a little canela powder.
Canela?
Mix them for the last time and pour them, the sliced apples, in the baking pan. Spread them evenly and lastly add or sprinkle the leftover sugar on top. Then cover or spread the second shortcut pastry and seal the edges by combining or sticking together the edges of the first and second pastry. Create tiny holes on the surface of the second pastry using a fork. cut the overlapping greaseproof paper. In the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes or until it's done. Now that the apple pie is ready, sprinkle powdered sugar on top. The apple pie is good to be eaten warm